So I got my press more or less repaired, and it's time to experiment. And I decided I'm going to experiment with this comic. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a lot of wrinkles where it was water damaged. And so I'm going to clean it up just a little bit. The back is wrinkled pretty bad too. But I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Then I'm going to put it in a humidity bath for, maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. And stick it in the press and see what happens. I'll show you the results. Well, are you ready to see the results? It turned out pretty nice. It doesn't have near as many wrinkles in it as it did. I could have probably left it in a little bit longer, or maybe had the heat a little higher. The heat gauge on it doesn't really work, so I couldn't really do much with that. But most of the wrinkles that were caused by the water damage are gone. I really couldn't clean it. The paper was too dry. It would have gotten a lot worse. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Put it in Mylar, it's going to look fantastic. Tell me what you think. Put your comments below.